Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image, I made this image last time, and I made the other image like pretty heavy, what can I say, the oil painting like image last time, but I left this image. This is one. Which my original image is, let's see, this is the base image, original shot, which I shot a couple of years ago. And last time I made this image with pencil drawing type. Like this is a pencil drawing type, and this is original image. Then I changed this blend mode, changed to luminosity. Then I got this light image, which I like. Then this color is pretty thin, so I made double the color. Then I made this way. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this one off, but I guess this is 4 times darker than this image. I think I made the duplicate, then merge down twice, so I made this a little bit dark image, but I changed this image blend mode, changed the blend mode to color burn or something last time. So like this kind of dark color I finished up last time. So this time I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna change this layer to, I'm gonna go to maybe add overlay, type something different expression from base to images. Now this is the time to make. About this, I'm gonna turn this base image off, then I'm gonna work on this image and smudged base image. Okay, from here, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna luminosity effect layer. It's now normal 60%. Change to vivid light. That's nice. Pin light. Linear light. Color wise nice, huh? Linear light. It's pretty light illustration type image. I kind of like this too. And let's see, vivid light, linear light, a little bit vivid has more contrast. Yeah, goes real light. I made pretty dark image last time, so I want to try more lighter image this time. This is nice for mid-tones, but too hot on highlight side, so I may combine to about this much density on the highlight side. That's an easy way to do. Just duplicate 2 layers to get add mask to get detail on highlight side. That's an easy way. Yeah, I can make that too, but let me see if I change to, this is the last time I think I did finish up with that image, right? Lighten. Yeah, just want to make lighter color overlay. Yeah, just make one image first. Alright. Okay, 40% for mid-tone to shadow side. I'm using these 2 layers from this base smudged image to add, okay, just one image. Maybe about this much, huh? 50. How's this? About this corner. Okay, now I'm gonna make group on this, then duplicate this group, just flatten this image. Then another one. I'm going to turn this one off. Now the other one is change the tone. This was 50%. Then the other one has more detail. So I go 20% maybe on the highlight side. Well, I can change. Okay, now I'm going to use highlight, shadow side from this image, right? So I'm going to make mask on here, this top layer. Then I'm going to mask this layer. Airbrushing to soft brush. This is real soft, real thin, real subtle. Maybe it's real hard to see for you guys because of the shooting this video. Okay, I got this much. Now I can change some detail from this tone up, down. No image, just regular image, huh? I want to add some. You see this area. Now add more on this. Okay. Now it's no effect on this mask. This is one. Okay, but just a touch. Add some, about 10%. So I guess this is a light image I finished. Okay, just want to keep this. Well, I just want to add something different. Let's say add layer on top. Then let's see, add some different colors or paint it on this image. Brushes. Well, painting stucco is fine. Well, not much. Just add some about this around. Pick some colors from here. Then add to outside. Like so. Stucco is same kind of texture of this background image, so it goes well like this. Oh, this is interesting too. Well, I guess that's it. This is interesting too, isn't it? Well, I just add these painted on colors on this image so much, and I made a real light image. Maybe that's too much, I guess. Yeah. All right. Well, I like this. Yeah, light kind of feeling nice. I don't mind about just a little bit tilting image. No, I can put some colors on here, some more. Don't worry about this. Well, Alright, pretty quick. And this is the second version of the last time movie. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Well, that's good, huh? Bye now. Ciao. All right.